Yo, what's going on, people? This your boy BDACHT coming at you guys, man, this Wednesday morning. I wanted to rap to you guys real quick, man, just to talk about a few little things that's been going around in the community. I'm sure you guys all have heard different things and just about the finances of beard product reviews or people making money and all this. And I understand over time things happen where something used to be fun and it used to be talked about, and it used to be people would come to this platform and just get a couple laughs, get a couple good products to go try out. You know what I'm saying? What products work best for a beard of my texture, you know, a beard of his texture or whatever. And we all pretty much use the same products across the board, no matter what ethnicity you are. You know what I'm saying? Of course, we know, I am a black man. I do have a very, very coarse beard. So my beard is a little bit different than someone else's beard, so to say. You know what I'm saying? I can't just take a Kent comb and just go through it any old kind of way, whatever. But that's neither here nor there right now with this particular video. I wanted to touch on, man, just bringing the fun back. And I'm sure a lot of you guys out there want to do the same thing. You want to bring the fun back. When I started this beard journey, early 2017, I think my first video was probably around January 2017. My first video that actually went pretty big was my wild growth hair oil video, and I'll put that up here. But back in those days, man, it was fun. The people that I was following at that time, I was a new jack, and it wasn't a lot of people out here doing the videos. So I had my handful of people that I would watch, and I was entertained. From my main man Scuba, from D-High, D-Lump, Beard Existence, Samson, Bearded Man 31, and of course a few others back in those days. And you watch these videos, man, and you got laughs. You watch these videos and you got tutorials. I remember watching D-High's video back in the day, and I would actually rewind the video so I can actually see how he hit his line when he was lining up his beard, because we had a similar type of beard. So he had lowered his cheek line and he was bringing it back up, and and I had did some of the same similar things. So I was like, I want to see how he did that, because although I cut hair for all those years, back when I cut hair from 17 years old through my first couple of years of college, everybody's hair that I cut was young or younger, like my age, at the time. So nobody really had a big beard. So I didn't really have too much experience with cutting big beards. Most people that came to you back in those days had a chin strap at best, or just a little sideburns going right here, then cut them off. So I never really knew how to really hit my beard the right way, and seeing his videos helped me out. My main man Scuba, I would watch his stuff, man, get a couple nice laughs. He did some great product reviews. But I was really there for the laughs, man, and the burps, and just being real. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was just really, really cool to have somebody like that in the community. My man Bearded Man 31, one of the first people that I actually saw do beard product reviews and do the Beardbutters. He's the first guy I've ever heard talk about Beardbutters, really. Him and Beard Existence, and a little taste of Darius Lumpkin. But, videos were fun back in those days, man. Going to these channels, man, and watching these videos. And now it's like, it's turned into such a business talk out here that people don't realize how fun it used to be. It hasn't always been about this. And people probably ask me, yeah, B, how come you don't do that many beard product reviews anymore? And I definitely have scaled it back on the beard product reviews. I do more of the tutorials now with cutting my beard, lining it up, because I think a lot of guys definitely want to see that, because that's really important. And it also shows a different skill set that I have that I can teach somebody else who's trying to do the same thing themselves. So you might want to see how to hit the straight razor, or the Andy's T-liners, or the Slimline Pros. You know what I'm saying? How to get that swooping motion on your beard line. Stuff like that. I feel like that's really important. The other point I want to get at, I don't know why it's so damn hot in here. The other point I want to get at is when we talked about the finances and how videos are people starting to talk about videos as far as the money that people are making. Brand ambassadors, companies hiring brand ambassadors. The example I want to give to that is you going to Foot Locker and picking out, you're going to get a pair of shoes to wear with this outfit that you just bought. You want to go there and match up some shoes for this outfit. So you walk in Foot Locker, dude help you out. You pick out some shoes, he put you together. Oh yeah, man, these Air Force Ones right here, they match perfectly with your outfit. If I was you, I'd get these. Put them up to the outfit, it looks cool. Boom. He bring you to the counter, push it over to the side, they ring you up, you walk out the door. That guy helped you, y'all talked about sports while he was helping you, y'all had a couple laughs about the beard or whatever. He actually gave you some service along with selling you some shoes, and you went home happy. You're not gonna get home and then call the Foot Locker and say, hey man, is so-and-so there? Yeah, did he get commission on that pair of shoes that I bought from him? You're not gonna call back and ask that question. You don't mind that he got the commission from a shoe that he sold you because that's his job. That's how he's taking care of his family. That's how he's doing whatever he's doing to make his money. And as a man, where I come from, and I'm sure where a lot of other guys who are watching this video come from, as a man, you don't hate on how another man makes his money. You know what I'm saying? Like, where I come from, that's not a good look at all. I dap people up, whatever. I know what you do. Hey, this, that, another, man, you cool peoples. That's fine and dandy. But I'll never be like, oh man, that's kind of wrong how you make your money to another man. And I'm supposed to be an alpha man and an actual man with dick and nuts, and I'm complaining about how another man makes his money? That's like some fugazi foul kind of shit. That's not what real men do. Now, I know a lot of these people in these comment sections, a lot of them be trolls who come in there with fake accounts and stuff like that. We know that. But there are some real ones out there with real accounts that really do feel this way. And I feel like if you being truthful, you like the company that you're talking about, it's nothing wrong with being a brand ambassador for that company and getting a small kickback for each item that you sell. Just like the Foot Locker example. You're not going to call Foot Locker and say, hey, dude, I don't want him to get no commission for that. He helped you with the product. Not only that, the Foot Locker guy is not even going to give you a discount on the beard. On the shoes. He's not even going to give you a discount. The beard product reviewers are giving you discount codes for the ambassador links. So they're talking about the product. They're dapping the product up. They're using it in their beard. It's a good product. You've used it before. And not only that, you're going to buy it anyway because you like it. You like the label. You like the consistency. You like how it makes your beard feel. And on top of that, you're going to get a discount of 15 to 20%. So it's a win-win. So where is the gripe? Why are you complaining about another man's money when he about to get $3, $4, $5 off a sale? Probably lower than that, because I'm ambassador to a few companies, and let me tell you this, you definitely ain't getting no money. You don't like that. Half of them you got to damn near wait until you get up to $50 in sales before you even get some money back from it. So it's not even that kind of party. But if it's gonna put an ice cream cone on the table for my son, or put a couple dollars in my gas tank to get me through the week of work, why are you mad at that? Why, as a man, why are you mad at how another man makes his money? That's some real feminine shit right there to me. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to come on here real quick, man. Talk about that real quick, man. Hopefully I didn't hold you guys too long, but I have been seeing this circulating in the beard community, and I want to touch on it, give my point of view, give my thoughts, so to say. And yeah, man, let's just try to, man, bring the fun back, man, to the beard community, man. Another thing also, as you bringing the fun back, I always preach, and a lot of us always preach, beard community. That's what this whole thing is about. This is how it started. Beard community, brotherhood, white, black, Puerto Rican, and Haitian. It don't matter the ethnicity. We're all brothers with beards. And I like that slogan of beard community. I'll never single myself out and say this is me, or this is, or him or that or this. No, this is all of us. Although we all have different beards. We are all not black men on this platform. All of you guys don't have a coarse and kinky beard like mine, but we all use some of the same products. So this is still the bearded community. We all in this for one common thing, man, and that's just to have a good time, man. Hype each other up, you know, show love, meet up with each other, man. Yeah, man, good beard, man. What you using your beard, man? Oh, man, I be using the artist, man. Oh, yeah, I be using the boss man over here. Oh, yeah, I use Detroit grooming over here. Let's just bond as men, man, and just keep the community solid. Keep it fun. Keep it interesting. Let's laugh. Have a good time, man. Let's get off of all this financial talk shit, because at the end of the day, ain't nobody no millionaire off any finances that you're talking about. Ain't nobody making that kind of bread. And for the most part, if they are promoting a company, they actually like that company. They actually use that product. They have actually showed you how they use the product. And then when you buy it, you see that they weren't lying. You see that the product was excellent. So these people are doing what they're supposed to do, and they're getting a little small kickback from being a brand ambassador. And as a man, don't hate on how another man makes his money. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Thanks for all the continued support. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos, and I'll holler back. Peace.